Hello, dear friends. I'm Dr. Arshnoor, and today I'm going to talk upon a very serious topic we often come across and finding it too difficult to manage. So that's it. Our children are becoming slave of TV nowadays. Despite of all our efforts, we are unable to bring them out of this habit. So, undoubtedly, TV is the biggest entertainment source and the stress buster. Along with that, it updates ourselves with the latest happenings of the world and provides a lots of educational programs, health related programs, and it is actually quenching the appetite of every age group, both the genders and of every strata of the society, and is available also in all the houses, without considering any age group and any economical status of any family. But so the detrimental impact of the TV could not be ignored, and the serious effect is on the children, who are more prone to this, and they are vulnerable to fall into the serious health hazards afterwards. So parents have to be very careful about this, that they should avoid the children to become slave of TV. So first of all, what 7 steps are to be taken by the parents that they should avoid TV watching of their children too much. First, I'm going to talk about the serious health hazard the children are facing while watching excess TV. So the first thing is that when the child watches TV, he becomes glued to that. He doesn't respond to any call of the parents and holds TV remote in his hands. He becomes stubborn, obstinate, and does not get involved in any activity. Second thing is that he becomes couch potato. He orders his parents, especially the mother, to deliver his food and do all the activities. If it is switch on, switch off the fan light, so he'll call his mother from the kitchen or anywhere else to do those activities also. He does not do all these things, and the serious thing, this is happening to our children. They become lethargic. So third thing is this, that they become rude. So they don't remain respectful. They show disrespect to not only the mothers, even the grandparents also, or other people at home, sometimes the fathers also. So in this way, what we are giving to our children, do you feel that is it a good upbringing of the children? This is what we want our children to be, what they will be in the future. If they are disrespectful towards us nowadays, how would they behave in the future? So see, it's a serious call for all of us that we should take immediate step to solve this problem, otherwise will be too late to solve this afterwards. Another thing which is again a very serious concern, this is small children especially, below the age of 5 years, sometimes when they watch television, because mothers feel themselves comfortable by making their children to sit in front of the TV, and the children, they often watch some cartoon channels, and what is a serious thing here, that they start copying their favorite characters. It may be Tom and Jerry, it may be some of other characters. They start behaving like that, so they'll respond to all the activities in the same way, and start demanding the parents for all these things. So this is not a good thing for the children, because they won't come out of that character afterwards. So another serious thing is that the children, while watching television, they come across number of advertisements. So you know that these advertisements, how dangerous these are for the young children. They get fascinated towards attractive advertisements and start compelling their parents to buy those products. Unnecessarily, this is an extra burden on the budget of the parents. So on the temptations of the children, though they have to buy these things for them, but so children do not value those things and they become over demanding, because every time there are number of things which are coming on the TV in the form of the advertisement, and they start demanding these things and become over demanding, which is a very serious health, which is serious concern, and the parents should wake up at this time to handle this situation at this time. Otherwise we won't be able to handle it afterwards. After that, which is the biggest concern, that is while staying in the comfortable zone, it may be lying on the bed, it may be sitting in the couch or anywhere else, the children lay in the odd postures and often complains about headaches, body aches, it may be lumbar and cervical spondylosis. So which is again very serious thing which is going to happen in the children. It may hamper their growth, and children become short heighted, and because when they're not going to outside the home, and their social interaction is cut off, that is restricted, so they do not interact with the family members, not interact with their friends, prefer to sit in the comfortable zone in the on either on the bed or the couch or the sofa, and don't go out, and the physical activities are not there. So we all know that how much important the physical activities are during the development period of the child. So he's not having proper growth, he has stunted growth, and often complains of legs pains, body aches, and the worst part is children become obese, and obesity is the biggest, or I mean to say that it is the mother of all the problems afterwards if it is started in the childhood. So just imagine how serious it would be when the child grows up. That's the reason often we find that the children and even the teenagers, they fall prey to obesity, hypertension, diabetes, and this claims the serious lives afterwards. I mean, precious lives afterwards. So many of the youngsters, they die at a very young age due to these all bad habits. So apart from that, we know that very common things, that is the eyesight weakness, and the children have other health hazards also. And the worst part that is coming now, that is they lose their concentration, avoid their studies, do not concentrate on their studies, and their reading habits are declined. So these are the reasons that the parents must take notice of all these habits of the children, avoid this. How can they do this? First of all, what is my recommendation, that parents must not allow their children to watch TV. If the TV is to be watched, it should be with the whole family should sit together, and the children should be allowed to watch the TV program which is somewhere productive. It may be news to some extent, because nowadays news are not actually providing some important message to the children, and these are mostly on the negativity, which is spreading negativity among everyone. So I won't prefer these to be watched by the children. What should be? It may be some quiz programs, it may be just some discovery programs, animal channel is there, geographical channels are there, or any other channel which is productive, that should be allowed for the children to be watched. Otherwise, there are some scientific programs are also, some mathematical programs are also telecasted on the TV. Parents should keep an eye on the child's activities, that what type of TV program he watches. Rather, so I would suggest that parents should not allow the children to watch TV in their absence, or unnecessarily sit in front of the TV, because it is such a glowing object that once someone sit in front of that, he is not able to make him away from that. And if we watch TV for a long time, so we must have noticed that we too start feeling too much stress after watching that. Yes, one TV program which I feel that could be healthy program to be watched by children along with all the family members. This could be the comedy shows, which not only release the stress, but somewhere, so it create a strong bonding but among the family members. They sit together, they spend a quality time together, laugh, and the laughter is a panacea for all the ailments. If someone spends some time while laughing a lot, so this could, I guess this could be the best exercise or the activity to be done by the children and the parents. Otherwise, watching TV unnecessarily for the long time leads to a serious physical, mental, social, emotional, psychological problem, not only for the children, for everyone. So it is my strong recommendation for everyone to avoid watching TV for longer hours, and especially must restrict the children to watch TV for such a long period that it may have some detrimental impact on their physical, mental, and social, even psychological growth also. So thank you so much for watching my this video. Thank you so much.